Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to create a task in the ClickUp app on your phone. Whether you are new to ClickUp or want to improve your task management skills, this guide will help you organize your work efficiently and stay on top of your projects. First, open the ClickUp app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the Create button located at the bottom center. Next, choose Task from the options that appear. Then, enter the name of your task. After that, you can add a detailed description to make sure all the important information is included. Once the description is added, select the assignees for the task so your team knows who is responsible. Next, set the start date and end date for your task. Once date is set, click on Done. After saving, tap on the three-dot menu to see more options. You can choose between Create and Close, Create and Open, Create and Start Another, or Create and Duplicate. Finally, click on Create. Finally, your task is ready, and you can continue managing your projects efficiently within ClickUp. Using these features ensures that you stay organized and never miss an important task. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the like button, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.